In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Yahoo Mail. We'll move step by step so you can follow along easily and make your emails look clean, clear, and professional. Start by opening your web browser and heading to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, look to the top right corner and select the sign in option. Enter your account details securely and follow any on-screen verification prompts. Once you're in, click the mail icon at the top right to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Next, select the Compose button at the top left to create a new email. In the To field, type the recipient's email address and double-check that it's correct. Add a concise, informative subject so your reader knows what to expect. Then move to the large message area and type out your email. It can help to write your content first and format second so you're not distracted while you're drafting. When you're ready to format, look at the toolbar below the message area. If you don't see all the options, click the three dots to expand the full formatting menu. To change the appearance of your text, select the words you want to modify first, then choose your style. You can switch fonts to match your tone, apply bold to emphasize key terms, use italics for titles or subtle emphasis, and apply strike-through to show edits or corrections. If you need color, pick a font color that maintains readability and good contrast. There's also a plain text option that removes styling. Use that if you need a clean, unformatted message, or if you want to strip out copied formatting. You can adjust alignment as well. Left alignment is standard for most emails. Center alignment works nicely for short headings or announcements. And right alignment is rarely needed but available. Remember that alignment applies to entire paragraphs, so place your cursor in the paragraph you want to change or highlight multiple paragraphs at once. For structure, use indent controls to increase or decrease indent. This helps when you want to visually nest information, call out a quote, or create subpoints under a main idea. If you're organizing items, switch to a bulleted or numbered list. Type your items on separate lines, then select them and choose the list style you want. Press enter to create a new list item. Press enter twice to end the list. Take a moment to review your formatting for consistency and clarity. With these tools, your Yahoo Mail messages will look polished and easy to read.